Today, we're taking a detailed look at Olight's newest flagship for your pocket, the Baton Ultra. This 1800 lumen powerhouse promises to redefine the standard for everyday carry flashlights. As you can see, the Ultra series has premium packaging, and opening it up, the experience feels high-end, similar to unboxing an Apple product, which is appropriate, as this flashlight is truly built as a professional tool, not just a budget household accessory. Also, if you are familiar with Olight's Baton 4 Pro, the Ultra looks similar, but offers significant internal upgrades. The Ultra moves up from 1600 to 1800 lumens, and increases beam distance from 200 to 300 meters. Next in the box, you'll find a set of documentation. The first is a card that highlights the high-efficiency LED, Olight's proprietary high-performance aluminum alloy, and the Ultra's well-designed control and grip. The flip side reminds you to remove the battery insulating film and to charge the flashlight before using. The next piece of documentation is the full user manual. Unfolding it, the sheet goes through all of the light specifications and operating instructions. Key specifications include the fact that turbo mode, where the light emits the highest 1800 lumens, only lasts for 90 seconds, before it thermally steps down to high at 600 lumens, which can last for over 3 hours. Moonlight mode, the lowest lighting, will last for 100 days. It weighs only 115 grams, or a little over 4 ounces. And it has an IPX8 waterproof rating, meaning it can withstand continuous, permanent submersion in water. Next in the box is Olight's proprietary magnetic charger, which plugs into a regular USB-A power source, and then magnetically sticks to the light's tail for charging. And finally, we almost missed it, but there is also a metal L-shaped mounting bracket, with a few adhesives, so you can easily mount it to a wall or side table, and magnetically stick the light there, for easy access. Now, although there isn't a standard USB-C cable included, we are happy to tell you, there is a USB-C charging port you can also use, if you prefer, instead of the magnetic charger. Quickly moving on to dimensions, it is only about 4¼ inches long and about 7/8 inches wide. This flashlight packs a lot of punch into a size that easily slips into any pocket. Now, let's go over the main components and controls of the light. First, we have the innovative two-way clip, allowing you to clip the light in either direction. In addition, it is fully removable, so if you prefer not to have a clip, you can just take it off. The beam is produced by Olight's proprietary EIP1 LED. And the control button is inside a hexagonal surround. The length of the housing is covered in rugged knurling for improved grip. Twisting the bottom of the flashlight, we reveal the hidden USB-C charging port. And finally, the bottom of the flashlight has the tail switch, a convenient option for instant-on lighting. The feel of this flashlight is perfect. Not too heavy, but definitely solid and durable. The Olight proprietary OAL alloy housing feels premium, and is impact-resistant to drops of up to 2 meters. Now, let's get this light fully charged, and ready for use. We first have to remove the battery insulation film. To do this, we unscrew the flashlight housing, and remove the small piece of film, used to prevent accidental battery use during shipping. With the flashlight open, we'll take this opportunity to look at the battery. Although it looks a bit like a standard 18650, it is actually a proprietary battery that Olight uses to facilitate its magnetic tail charging. As such, although the battery is swappable, you can only get replacements through Olight. And speaking of magnetic tail charging, let's give that a whirl. You merely plug the included cable into any USB-A power source, and click the disc to the bottom of the flashlight. The glowing red light indicates the unit is charging. If you don't want to carry the special cable, you twist the bottom to reveal the USB-C charging port. And then use any standard USB-C cable and power source to plug it in. Again, a red light appears to show you it is charging. We love the design, as the port placement maintains the IPX8 waterproof integrity, without needing a flimsy rubber flap. Overall, it takes about 3½ to 4½ hours to fully charge. Once complete, the light on the cable will turn green. So now, let's go ahead and walk through all of the lighting options. The side switch is the primary way to control this flashlight. As expected, a single click will turn the flashlight on. Clicking it again turns the flashlight off. LEDs on the right side of the button show battery level. If we click and hold, this turns on moonlight mode, which is the lowest light setting. Click again to turn it off. If you double-click the button, it jumps to turbo mode, the brightest setting. Again, click to turn off. Looking at turbo mode again, honestly, the brightness that this small flashlight can throw is almost blinding. Finally, a triple click turns the flashlight on strobe, great for emergency or even tactical defense. Let's click to just turn it on. Now, holding down the button cycles through low, medium, and high brightness. Let go at the level you want. The LEDs on the left of the button indicate the level of brightness you are on. With the light off, you can press and hold the side switch until the small lock icon lights up. This locks the flashlight, ensuring it does not accidentally turn on. Press and hold the side switch again to unlock. Now, let's see how the tail switch works. Finding this button is easy, allowing you to instantaneously turn on the flashlight without feeling for the side switch. Clicking it turns the flashlight on high. Clicking it again turns it off. A double click turns on turbo mode. And again, a single click turns it off. Finally, if you click and hold the button, the light will turn on and stay on until you release the button. A great mode when you just need a quick moment of light. Now, it's time for a real test. Here we are outside. It is not pitch black, but pretty dark in this direction. We start the light on low, and you see it illuminates with the strength of a regular flashlight. Now, let's turn on high mode. As you can see, this penetrates the darkness quite well. And now for turbo. Turbo mode truly punches a hole through the darkness. Here, in another direction, we turn it on, and see that the 300-meter range feels accurate, providing enough light to illuminate objects at extreme distances. Overall, we found Baton Ultra to be an amazing, premium everyday carry flashlight. We did receive this unit for free, in exchange for our honest review. We hope you found this video informative.